Ever wondered what a $13 billion warship looks like? Today, we're diving deep into the most advanced, most powerful, and most expensive aircraft carrier ever built, the Gerald R. Ford class. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete revolution in naval warfare, a floating city of steel and technology that projects American power across the globe. So, strap in as we explore the incredible engineering, groundbreaking systems, and sheer might of this 21st century Leviathan. First, let's talk size. The USS Gerald R. Ford is a monster. At 1,106 feet long, she's as long as the Empire State Building is tall. Her flight deck spans over 4.5 acres, and she displaces over 100,000 tons of water. To power this behemoth, the Ford class relies on two brand new A1B nuclear reactors. These power plants are so efficient they generate almost 3 times the electrical power of the previous Nimitz-class carriers. This massive energy surplus isn't just for show. It's essential for all the high-tech systems packed aboard, and it gives the ship the ability to operate for over 20 years without ever needing to refuel. It can sail the seas for decades, a self-sustaining fortress. But the real game-changer lies on the flight deck. For over 60 years, aircraft carriers used steam-powered catapults to launch planes. They were reliable, but also massive, high-maintenance, and put immense stress on the aircraft. The Ford class scraps that system for something straight out of science fiction, the Electromagnetic Aircraft Launch System, or EMALS, and what goes up must come down. Landing on a moving carrier is one of the most difficult tasks a pilot can perform. The old system used hydraulic arresting gear to snag a landing aircraft. The Ford class replaces this with the Advanced Arresting Gear, or AAG. This system uses electric motors and water turbines to provide a controlled, software-managed deceleration. It's safer, more reliable, and just like EMALS, it's gentle on the airframes and can handle a wider variety of aircraft. Together, EMALS and AAG allow the Ford class to generate a significantly higher sortie rate. That means launching and recovering more planes, more quickly, than any carrier before it. We're talking about a potential 33% increase in mission capability, a massive leap in combat effectiveness. Another major innovation is the dual-band radar. Previous carriers needed multiple separate radar systems for different tasks like air traffic control, navigation, and targeting. The Ford class integrates all these functions into one powerful, sophisticated system. This streamlined approach provides unparalleled situational awareness. It can track a huge number of targets with incredible precision, from high-flying enemy jets to small sea-skimming missiles. The radar's advanced design also makes the ship stealthier and less vulnerable to electronic jamming, giving it a critical edge in a modern battlespace. Life aboard the Ford is also a major upgrade for its crew of over 4,500 sailors and aviators. The ship was designed with efficiency and quality of life in mind. The layout of the flight deck and internal spaces has been completely rethought. Weapons, elevators, which move bombs and missiles from the magazines deep within the ship up to the flight deck, are now advanced electromagnetic systems. They're faster, bigger, and located more strategically. This simple change drastically reduces the number of times ordnance has to be moved, saving time and manpower. The galleys, living quarters, and recreational facilities have all been improved to make life more comfortable for the crew during long deployments far from home. A happier, less fatigued crew is a more effective crew. Of course, a project this ambitious hasn't been without its challenges. The development of these new technologies, especially EMALS and the weapons elevators, faced significant delays and cost overruns. Integrating so many brand new, unproven systems into one platform was a monumental engineering task. Early sea trials revealed bugs that needed to be ironed out, leading to criticism about the ship's readiness. However, the Navy argues that these are the growing pains of a revolutionary leap in technology. The long-term benefits in efficiency, capability, and reduced manpower costs are expected to outweigh the initial investment. The Ford class isn't just about building one ship. It's about creating a new standard for naval power that will last for the next 50 years. The aircraft it carries are just as impressive. The Ford's air wing will be a mix of the most advanced aircraft in the world. This includes the F-35C Lightning II, a fifth-generation stealth fighter, the F/A-18EF Super Hornet, a proven and versatile multi-role fighter, the EA-18G Growler for electronic warfare, and a host of helicopters and support aircraft. Crucially, the Ford was designed from the ground up to support unmanned aerial vehicles, or drones. This foresight is critical, as drones are playing an increasingly important role in intelligence, surveillance, and even strike missions. The ability to launch, recover, and command a fleet of advanced drones makes the Ford-class a future-proof platform, ready for the conflicts of tomorrow. So, what does this all mean? The Gerald R. Ford-class aircraft carrier represents the pinnacle of naval engineering. It's more than just a ship. It's a mobile military base, an airport, and a command center all rolled into one. Its advanced technology allows it to generate more sorties, with more powerful aircraft, more efficiently than ever before. Its nuclear reactors give it unlimited range, and its advanced sensors provide unmatched awareness of the battlefield. It can respond to crises anywhere in the world, deter aggression, provide humanitarian aid, and, if necessary, project overwhelming force. The Ford class is a symbol of American power and technological prowess. While the initial costs have been high, the capabilities it brings to the fleet are undeniable. As more ships in this class, like the USS John F. Kennedy and the USS Enterprise, join the fleet, they will form the backbone of the U.S. Navy for the rest of the 21st century. They are a testament to human ingenuity and a clear signal that when it comes to naval dominance, the future is already here. Thank you so much for joining us on this deep dive into the Gerald R. Ford-class carrier. If you found this fascinating, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next video. Let us know in the comments what you think about this incredible warship. See you next time.